What kind of a risk taker are you? Hi, I'm Dave Wilkins, founder and president of Wolverine Business Solutions, where we're dedicated to helping business owners like you improve financial performance and overall success. Running a small business is an adventure, right? There's the thrill of the chase, the satisfaction of building something from the ground up. But let's be honest, there are also risks involved. Today, we're diving into the difference between risky business and calculated risks and how to navigate them like a pro. Let's start with risky business, as we see this a lot. It's the recipe for big trouble. Risky Business was a very popular movie, and it's not uncommon for owners to make business decisions that could make for great sequels. Risky business often involves flying blind, making major choices without proper research or planning. Imagine launching a new product line without understanding customer needs or market trends. A recipe for disaster. Ignoring the numbers. Marketing decisions based on gut feelings or past experience work at times, but solid financial analysis is crucial to mitigate risk. Expanding your business to a new location without considering rent, staffing costs, and potential profit margins, that's a gamble you will probably lose. Going solo. Being the boss is awesome, but sometimes you need a team. Ignoring expert advice or failing to delegate or outsource tasks can leave you overwhelmed and exposed. Then we have calculated risks, which are essential to growth. Calculated risks are different. They involve taking a measured approach that includes identifying and quantifying the potential downsides and the potential rewards. Here's what that looks like. Before launching a product, you research customer needs, competitor offerings, and market trends. This information helps you mitigate risk and increase your chances of success. You create a detailed budget that considers all the potential costs associated with a new venture. This allows you to make informed decisions about resource allocation and potential profitability. You surround yourself with talented advisors and mentors and employees. Their experience and expertise can help you identify and navigate potential roadblocks. So, how does this look in the real world? Imagine you run a tech startup. Developing a groundbreaking new app is exciting, but risky. The risky business approach? Rushing into development without considering user needs or functionalities. This can and usually leads to an app no one wants to use. The calculated risk approach? Conducting thorough user research, developing and testing prototypes, and securing funding before full-scale development. This increases the chances of creating a successful product. And who knows, maybe it becomes the next unicorn. The takeaway: embrace smart risks. Remember, calculated risks are the fuel for innovation and growth. By doing your homework, mitigating potential downsides, and leveraging your resources, you can turn those risks into rewards. To learn more about how Wolverine Business Solutions works with business owners to assess and manage risk, click the link below to schedule a call. If you have content ideas or questions on improving financial performance, boosting growth, and building lasting value, please leave a message. And be sure to join our Facebook group and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights and discussions. Thanks for watching.